Well, good day, everyone. A live look outside. There's the Jupiter Inlet and the lighthouse. Right now, all is quiet. We're nice and dry, partly sunny skies, but it's going to be a warm one. We're heading back into the lower 90s. Plus, we will be watching along the coast from Martin County all the way up towards Sebastian. This is where we do have a flood advisory in effect. It runs through tomorrow night. We do have some swells coming down from that potential tropical cyclone to the north. That, in combination with the full moon and the high tide cycle, could lead to some minor coastal flooding. So something we'll watch over the next few. Otherwise, right now, seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Looks like a little bit of moisture, but that's not really hitting the ground. That's just a moisture in the upper levels, but that is hitting the ground. Right now, we do have some wet weather just offshore, but for the most part, we're dry up and down I-95 in the peninsula. However, as the day goes on with the daytime heating, we will have some showers and thunderstorms develop. They're not going to be as widespread as we saw over the weekend, but any storm that does form later today could be on the stronger side. So that's something that we'll have to monitor with some gusty winds possible with the storms. Otherwise, this right here is potential tropical cyclone 8, and you can see it is producing very heavy rain from South Carolina into North Carolina too. It is not at this point in time expected to become a tropical cyclone, not a tropical depression or storm. It's really not getting its act together. There's a front very close by, so it is just going to start to push into the Carolinas over the next couple of hours and eventually just rain itself out, but it will produce several inches of rainfall there. In addition to that, we're watching tropical depression Gordon way out here in the Atlantic. Gordon was a tropical depression, then a storm. Now it's a tropical depression again. And over the next few, it's simply going to start to work its way up towards the north. And it could become, again, a tropical storm by the time we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend. But computer models in very good agreement keeping this system in the middle of the Atlantic, so no threat to anyone. Closer to home, as we head into the next couple of hours, notice things pretty quiet as we head towards 2 p.m., but we do have a couple of clouds around, and then we could pick up a thunderstorm or two late in the day, mainly into Palm Beach County and points south. But again, any storm that does develop could pack a bit of a punch. And then as we head into the evening hours, just an isolated shower around. So not as much rain compared to the last couple of days. 92 today, though. It's going to be a hot one. The winds out of the southwest at 10, about a 30% chance of a shower or a storm. As we head into the next few, temperatures running above average, should be in the upper 80s for this time of year, roughly a 40 to 50% chance of wet weather.